Good day, YouTube. This is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile. Today I'm actually going to be installing these Goldstrike Fog Light Trim rings for the Goldwing. They actually are installed right here around where the fog light would be placed. I'm actually going to do an up-close video and showing the installation, so if you order these you can see what the installation's like. And also I'll have this down in a link below, so if you want to order some from Goldstrike and take to their website, and you can order yourself some. So with that being said, I'll check with you in just a minute. So I'm going to be working on the left side of the bike. Make sure you have some rubbing alcohol, and cotton ball is what I'm using. You can use ammonia based stuff as well, but I didn't have any, so rubbing alcohol works just fine. And you'll use that to clean this area where the trim's gonna go. So here's the trim. Just gonna dry fit it right now. Be pretty nice. So glad I checked that, because it's actually contact areas right around the outside edge. I thought it was going to contact inside, but it's the outside edge here, and then the center here. Go ahead and dry it. Okay, the kit itself comes with an adhesion promoter. So you would peel that open. In this case, the adhesion promoter primer is completely dry. But lucky for me, I have some left over from the kit from last week, and I'll use that instead. And this one's still pretty wet. So I'll put it around the point of contact right here, and then right through here where the contact's going to be. Because I have to use this on the other side, I'm going to place it back in my adhesion promoter package, just to keep it as fresh as possible for the next few minutes. Okay, and now it's back inside there. Once this dries, at that point there's some 3M tape on the back of these. Just got to peel the 3M tape, the red off the 3M tape, and at that point, see, that says left. It is marked left, so it does go on the left side of the bike. And make sure that you put them in on the right side. First thing I'm going to do is take a cotton ball and go around the outside edge of this to get it to adhere in this area, and then on the edge here to get it to adhere there. So the two contact points is going to be right here and over on the edge over here. This will also serve to get your fingerprints off the chrome look. There we go. Looking pretty sharp. A couple more gentle passes, and it's on there now. So now let's go to side 2, to the right side. All right, so now we're on the right side. Once again, I'm gonna have to take the packaging, it's already pre-slit, off of this for the unpacking. It does say R on it for right side, so we know that it's going to go right there. You got your 3M tape on the back, which we'll have to peel in a minute. But just like I did on the other side, get some rubbing alcohol, clean the contact areas. To ensure that there's no grime or anything on it. Gotta let it dry. Help it along with the dry cotton ball. So there, it's clean now. Then the primer, adhesion primer that they provided in the kit. Gonna generously place it on the contact points to ensure that it adheres like it's supposed to. Okay. Might have to save this just in case I need to use it again. I'll place that back inside this. It's dry now, so at this point, oops. So we'll go ahead and peel the 3M tape off both points. Want to line it up into place, just like so. And use this cotton ball to use to put pressure on it, to press around where the contact points are to ensure that it gets good contact. Another thing that'll serve to help this is the engine heat. Once you start going down the road, the heat from the engine will heat up this 3M a little bit, and it'll cause it to stick a little bit better. It shouldn't go anywhere. It's pretty firm with just the adhesion primer. But there you have it. Both sides are completed this time. Only took about 10 to 15 minutes or so. Easy install. But yeah. Okay, well that concludes the installation of the fog light trim rings for the Goldwing here. Like I said before, it only took about 10 to 15 minutes to complete, to install. If you are interested in actually ordering these, I'll have the description, I'll have the link in the description below, and you'll be able to check it out, go do your reviews, and you can purchase it for yourself. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Click that bell so that you can be notified in future of any videos that I'm actually going to complete. I'm going to be doing another install next week on next week's video, so join me next week for the next install, and I will see you then. For now, this is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile signing out. Y'all be safe. Peace.